So what would you say to someone who's thinking about doing this course?
So I would tell them to go ahead and do it. I know it's kind of scary to come to something like this, but I feel like I've been married for about 34 years, and most of our marriage, we didn't know most of what was in this course, and I feel like just learning these things has really helped our marriage, but coming to this conference has helped me even more because it's given me a to-do list of things that I can work on and not just blame everything on my spouse, and just really has made me think and be more accepting of who I am, as well as just knowing what things I can work on. And I really think it's really a great thing for everyone to learn more about this subject.